CDC shows that Washington had one of the highest increase of opioid overdose deaths last year.
Health officials say Pierce County is where fentanyl addiction and deaths are particularly high, but treatment is shockingly low. Q13 News reporter Olivia LaVoice explains how a new clinic in Puyallup is hoping to change that.
In Pierce County, we see fentanyl massively on the rise, and it's very concerning.
Benjamin Ray is a nurse practitioner with Ideal Option. He says one of the alarming things he's seeing is fentanyl addiction is progressively hitting a younger population. He says many of his patients are now teens.
1% of our patients have been successful going cold turkey.
Ray says withdrawal symptoms can be deadly. One of the major ways their clinics helps patients is through prescription medication that helps get them through it safely.
It's like scaffolding. So if your brain is a building and that building has been destroyed through some disaster, you'll go in and you'll prop up scaffolding all around the building while it's rebuilt. So the medication, I think of it kind of like the scaffolding, and then as the brain heals, you can slowly remove the scaffolding.
Patient Tony Vela says Ideal Option has been key in getting and keeping him clean for nearly a year after battling with his opioid addiction for 7 years.
It got to the point where I didn't really want to take it. I was taking it so I wouldn't get sick.
Wella says the withdrawal from the pills was so severe he'd go back to them because he couldn't take the pain. The medication and services here finally changed that. But he admits before coming to the clinic he was in a dark place. He knew pills laced with fentanyl could be deadly.
But that's how deep I was into addiction, to where it was like I was willing to take that chance just to get my fix. But once you take that first step and ask for help, it's worth it.
Ray says he hopes their new clinic in Puyallup will have a big impact on the many Pierce County residents struggling with opioid addiction.
80% of people in Pierce County are not receiving services. Personally, I think it needs to be talked more about, and there needs to be a lot more awareness.
Olivia LaVoice, Q13 News.
Ideal Option in Puyallup says help and resources are available to anyone ready to ask for the help.